I can't do it. I can't do it.
Look, you can see some bubbles coming up from the bottom. You will not believe the temperature of these hot springs. You'll be just fine. What's up, guys? Back with another update for you. If you remember back in Colorado, I can't remember which episode, but earlier in the trip, we went to our very first hot spring, and this was all natural. Like, this hot spring was just in the middle of nowhere. You hiked out a short hike to it. It was just in the ground, no structures around it, kind of like a little secret off the path thing in Colorado. Well, in Idaho, they have hot springs too, and you will not believe the temperature of these hot springs.
Springs and like build around them to make them nicer.
Yep.
Dad, I'm gonna go in with my water shoes.
This is 112.
112? Let me feel it. Oh, that's not. Oh, really hot.
Let me see.
I'm sure. Oh, that's hot.
Oh.
Really? You don't think it's hot?
I do think it's hot.
Try it out.
I want to go in the sand.
Ooh. Oh.
I got it. Ah! No, I got it. It's hard to say.
Oh. Is that? Look, they're all the way in. You gotta work your way up.
The burn
is real.
Sand.
It's fine once you get used to it. I'm good now.
This one is 112 degrees. Yeah, I have my shirt on too. I don't know either. Okay, so we don't know exactly how hot the one was that we saw in Colorado, but we do know that the ones in Idaho, the hottest one is 112. We read something before we went there that said that the Native Americans used to go there in the winter, and I thought that was kind of cool as we were sitting and walking in them, thinking about whole families, going there to warm up whenever it snowed. But they definitely improved the scenery around those hot springs so that families can come and enjoy them in Lava Hot Springs, Idaho.
The rocks feel good.
Ooh, the rocks.
I like the feel of the rocks.
The rocks are nice.
Lacey, if you take the water shoes off, look what happens. They're floating.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Too much?
Yeah, good on what?
I don't think so.
How are you doing that, Mom?
Ow.
How are you standing on
112.
You'll adjust so much. And then the rocks really feel good. Poppy, try.
Look, you can see some bubbles coming up from the bottom. Here you could just sit. Oh, yeah. 112 was more of a challenge, to see if you could stand it, but it wasn't comfortable to stay in. So we moved over to some of the more comfortable hot springs and kind of hung out there for a while as a family.
It's going to feel good to eat ice cream after this.
Oh, yeah.
As we were wrapping up our hot spring journey, we were headed to get some ice cream for the evening, and we passed the spot. You could see it right over the bridge where we went over in our last video, and you could see the spot where I got stuck inside of that little rapid, and it was kind of funny to walk past it as a family and be like, yep, that's the spot where I went under and got destroyed. There's the spot.
That's the spot where it sucked you in and you fell all the way and
Yep.
my tooth.
That's it.
That is the spot.
Guys, I hope you liked this video. It would mean the world to us if you would share it with someone so that they could see it too. And if you haven't already followed our page or subscribed, do that so that we can keep you posted and updated everywhere we go. We will see you soon, and we will keep you posted.